In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive offline so you can access your files without an internet connection. This is a handy feature for anyone who needs to work on projects or access documents when a reliable internet connection isn't available. Maybe you're going to be traveling or just want the peace of mind that comes with knowing your essential files are always accessible. Whatever your reason, stick around as we take you through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Google Chrome browser. This is an important step as Google Drive's offline capabilities are only supported on Google Chrome. So if you don't already have it, you'll need to install Chrome to follow along with this guide. Once you've got Chrome up and running, log into your Google Drive account. You can do this by visiting drive.google.com and entering your usual Google credentials. Ensure you're logging into the right account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts, as this will help avoid any confusion later on. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your Google Drive page, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a new window where you'll see various options. Find the section labeled Offline. You'll notice a small box that is labeled Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Check this box. After you check that box, Google may download some files to enable offline access. Don't worry if this takes a moment, as it could vary depending on the number of files or the speed of your internet connection. It's also worth mentioning that this feature allows you to access recent files you've worked on, so it's a good habit to make sure crucial files have been accessed and are up to date before going offline. Now, after confirming the offline settings, exit the Settings menu and return to your Drive. You'll know if the setup is successful because, usually in Chrome, an icon or notification pops up indicating you're offline ready. It's good to test it out by disconnecting your device from the internet to confirm that everything is working as expected. You should be able to open and edit your recent files directly from Google Drive. This setup is designed to be seamless, but if you encounter any issues, repeating these steps can often resolve the problem. Google also updates features regularly, so staying updated with the latest version of Chrome and Drive can help avoid any compatibility issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to use Google Drive offline, ensuring your important files are accessible wherever your journey takes you. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for managing your Google Drive experience. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tech guides.